Loading right now.
No issue.
My computer is very slow.
No issue. I will fix it up.
You'll fix it up? Can you make it like really fast, like it's brand new?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay. What's the cost on that?
I will tell you all the things, sir. First, just to follow the instruction, okay? So I can check why it's running too slow.
Okay, now this is remote control. So you're gonna control my computer?
No, sir. I just only check it why you're facing lots of trouble, okay? Because you are the primary user of this computer and I'm the secondary user of this computer. If you feel face any kind of problem, you can hang up the remote. No issue.
I don't want to hang up. You're helping me.
So just follow the instruction, okay?
Okay.
Your ID and password. You got your ID and password?
Yes. How should I end this? What was that?
What is your ID? Can you see
One
your ID and password?
192.
Go ahead.
146. 165.
I'm repeating for you. It's 192 146 165, right?
Yes. That's the number under control.
Need your ID one more time.
Okay, it says the partner ID
Not
6.
the partner ID. Your ID. Your ID. Can you see on the left hand side?
Let me get my glasses. Let me get my glasses. Oh, he just like whispered something. See, he mutes his headset because he's probably talking crap right now. That's what's going on. Alright, I'm just gonna end this up really quick. Ready? You ready, Jeffrey? Jeffrey, you there? I can't hear you talking. I think your headset's muted. But you're there, right? Yeah, your mic's messed up. But I'm about to end this right now. Okay, hello, sir? Sir? This is Benjamin. Albert?
I'm here.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me your ID?
No, I can't tell you because this is a scam and you're a piece of crap for scamming people. You understand me?
Listen to Benjamin. What I'm gonna do right now, I have filed a complaint against you. In few hours, the police is coming to your home. Okay?
Okay.
I will not let me see. I will file a complaint against you.
Take your mic out of your mouth. Take your mic out of your mouth and speak like a normal man.
You are making our fool, okay?
Yes, you are a fool for scamming people. First I call you and you tell me your name's technical support and then you turn into Apple.
Mr. Benjamin, I'm doing it right now against you.
Okay, yeah, you're a scammer.
I will sue you in the court. I will sue you in the court, okay?
Yeah, you're a scammer. No, you're the one scamming. You have to understand, you're scamming.
You can see that once I will sue you in the court, okay?
Okay, yeah, you're scamming. Yes.
Who is the scammer? You can see that.
You are. Yeah. You're the scammer. You're trying to take people's money.
Really?
You obviously have no life if you're still fighting with me, and you're obviously not a legit company if you're still fighting with me.
You're not listening to me. You're not listening to me.
Yeah, because you're not a legit company.
Did I tell you about the payment you have to get?
You're wasting my. No, because you're good at doing this, which is very well that you're good at doing this, and I'm glad that you've scammed a lot of people. I'm sure that's very good that you've done that.
Are you idiot? Are you motherfucker. Are you idiot?
See, you're cursing. A real
bloody
company does
asshole.
not curse.
You bloody asshole.
Yes, yeah.
Why do right now? Yeah, you are asshole.
No, you're
You are
cursing
asshole.
because you're not a legit company.
You are asshole.
No, you're not
You are-
legit.
I can show you, Mr. Benjamin. I can show you. I can show.
You're not legit.
I did a complaint against you. Okay.
Okay.
In few hours, the police department will come
Okay.
at your home. Then we can see who's a scammer.
Okay.
Asshole.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day.
Because I have here all the recordings. I have here all the recordings. Okay?
Yes, but you're the
You are just
scammer.
taking my
Okay.
You have a
You
recording
are just
too.
taking my
Yeah, we have a
You
recording
bloody
too, just letting you
asshole,
know.
motherfucker.
Yeah,
You motherfucker.
yeah.
I will fuck your mother. I will fuck your mom. Motherfucker.
You obviously
T-
have
t-
no life. But
Tell him that you're reporting him to Apple.
I'm gonna report you to your company.
Fuck you. You know? Fuck you.
Oh, you're funny, man.
Fuck you.
Yes.
Fuck you.
Oh,
I'm
yes.
not funny.
Yes.
I'm just trying to fuck your mother. And your sister as well. I have a hot dick.
Yes. You have
I have
fun
a
with
hot
that.
And I will like put my dick in your mama ass.
Oh my god, you're so legit. I mean, how long have you been doing this for?
I will do it in front of you, okay?
How long have you been doing the scamming stuff
In front
for?
of you. Listen to me. I will fuck your mother in front of you, and I just put my hot dick into your mouth as well. You fucking asshole person.
Okay. You make a lot of money doing this?
I will do that. I will do that. I will do that. Just trying to protect your ass, buddy.
You make a lot of money doing
When I
this?
will
No. Let's talk like for real.
And when I will see you, I will fuck you.
Albert.
When I will see you, I will fuck you, motherfucker.
No, let's talk legit now. Let's talk legitly. Legitly, okay?
now.
Be-
Oh, really?
be real.
Motherfucker?
Be real.
Do you like it?
Be real.
Be real. I'm real.
Okay, do you make a lot of money doing this? Like a lot of people fall for it, or no? For real, tell me.
See, I will help you how you make the money. I will help you to how you make the money.
I don't want to make no money.
What do you need to do? No, let me tell you what you need to do. You just need to sell your wife and your sister in the market, okay?
Okay.
And you will like earn lots of money, motherfucker.
Okay. Is that all? Is that what you did?
No, I'm not. See, I'm just.
You're just
like,
mad because I
fucking
just
your
wasted
mother.
like 40
No,
minutes of your
I'm
day.
just fucking. I'm just fucking your mother and wife, and I will
Okay.
make you on the money.
All right,
okay?
thank you. You know, you're wasting my time now.
You're an asshole, motherfucker.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, all right, buddy?
Do remember. When
All
I
right.
will see you, I will fuck you.
Bye. Oh my god. Jeffrey, that got intense. Oh my